Hi, I'm back with another haul today. This one is from Michaels. A lot of things are on clearance at Michaels, both online and in store. This is a combination of clearance items, and then on my app I also had a coupon for 30% off everything regular price, which was so awesome. So I got a lot of really great deals. Okay, so the first thing, this was on clearance. I think these were like $2 or $3. And I thought these would be nice for like bigger pocket letters. And this is called Album Refill Pages. And this is the 8.5 by 11 inch ones. And it just has like one big pocket at the top and then two bigger pockets at the bottom. It comes with 25 pages. I think, like I said, I think those are like $2 or $3. Then I got another one, which was the same price. And these are both by Recollections. This one has 6 big pockets. This one is the 12 by 12 size, and it's also called Album Refill Pages. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show that because it's so big. I thought that was a really good deal. Then I got some single sheets of paper. I'm doing a unicorn project, so I'm actually doing 2 unicorn projects, so look how pretty that is. I love that. I don't know if I'll do a bow or, you know, just put this in a card or something like that, but I just thought that was so pretty. And there's this one. And this is kind of like plastic. Let's see what it's called. Let's see. Yeah, it's called plastic paper. Excuse me. So it's, you know, it's translucent. It just looks like it's more opaque because it has a piece of paper in there to kind of, I guess, keep it sturdy or keep it from bending too much. But got that. And then I got this one. Isn't that gorgeous? And this one, this iridescent one. I got this for a mermaid project, so this kind of has like that iridescent kind of shimmer to it. I love this gold. So this gold is in the single paper section, and I like it better than the packaged gold, which I did get some of that too, and I'll show that to you. And I got a couple of those gold singles. Then I got the Americana Ultra Clear coat for when I do bead garlands. I also got this Diamond Dust, which is so pretty. Look, I did some flowers with it. I was testing it out. These are just Dollar Tree flowers. Hopefully my camera will focus. Come on, camera. I guess it doesn't want to focus on that. So I did some Dollar Tree flowers with it. I also got some storage. So these are little plastic mason jars. Well, I didn't even know they were food safe, but they're by the brand Craft Smart plastic mason jar set, and you get 6, and these are 6 to 8 ounces. And then I got the smaller ones. Oh, so that was 6 8-ounce jars, I guess, and this is 10 4-ounce jars. And I want to say that they're like, I don't know, $4, $5, $6 each. And then, like I said, I got the 30% off. I also got some beads for one of my unicorn projects. Let's see if I can make it focus. So it's like pink and blue crackle beads with like a iridescent coating. Isn't that pretty? And then I got some air dry clay. So I saw this really cute donut tutorial on Instagram, and I want to try to recreate it. It's so cute. So that's why I got the air dry clay. I also got this thing. This was on clearance online. I didn't see it in the store, and it's called the Bowdabra. And so it just helps you make like perfect bows. And Lord knows I need help. This was on clearance for $3. Lord knows I need help making bows. I also got this. These are the Sizzix cutting pads. I just got them to have like extra for when I need them. But you know what? I don't even know if I need those because I saw on scrapbook.com, I think it is, where they have like this magic mat. Does anybody have that? It's like this magic mat where your mats like don't ever get ruined. Excuse me, where your mats don't ever get ruined, and you like never need to get extra cutting pads. Or I should say your pads never get ruined. I don't know. It's not very expensive. I thought maybe I would try it, but I was bummed out because I had already bought those, and I'm like, oh man. I also got some cardstock paper. It's just like a creamy cardstock paper. And I wanted this size because I thought it would just be easy to really quickly make like small cards, or if I want to make some decorative paper stronger, I could just, you know, like if I'm cutting out little things and I want to make the paper stronger, I could just glue it onto this, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be good to have. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera. I think I've hit it like twice now. And then I got a bunch of paper, colored paper. So this one's called Pink Buttons. And I like this paper because it doesn't have like the white inside. It's actually like colored all the way through. I also got 2 of these. So this was the gold I was telling you about, where I like that other gold better. But these are pastel foils. This is called Pastels Foil. That pink one, what's that pink one called? Pink Buttons. I think I said that already. But see, that comes with those colors. I got a green one. So all these ones I'm going to show you are like colored all the way through. I don't know what the right verbiage is for that, but it doesn't have like the white core. This is Feathered Green. This is called Roses. Shades of Red. Dreamy. Cape Cod. Purple Passions. Blue Ombre. Soda Pop. I love that name. That's such a cute name. And then, excuse me, I got this box, which I love cacti. I love cacti and I love succulents. So I thought this box was so pretty. It's just like one of those storage boxes, and it opens here and it says Love Grows here. And it's just one of those ones that is magnetic. Let me move these papers, hold on. So it's just one of those magnetic ones that opens like that. But I thought that was so pretty. Let's see if I can pull it back so you can see it more. I also got some pretty poppies. I thought those were pretty. And I got some coral colored ones. I got some trims. So I got one of the 50-piece trim bundles. Cookies for Santa. It's got like a measuring tape. Some rickrack. I thought I saw some rickrack on here. Little eyelash lace. These are pretty for the fall. I love these colors. What is this one called? Let's see if this is called a certain... You know how some of them have different names on them, but I don't see a name on this one. It just says trim bundle by Celebrate at 50 piece. I thought this was such a good deal. It was $9.99, but I had the 30% off, so that was good. Okay, so there is my haul from Michaels. I have another one coming up right after this. I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'll see you back here in a few minutes.